Hi there again. This is Burke and Eisner with another one of our videos about auto accident claims. And here we're going to talk about dealing with some insurance companies in New Hampshire. Now, we're going to start off with talking about how to get more value for your car if it's damaged. And really what this is all about is collecting evidence and collecting information. So you're going to want to make sure you have lots of photographs of your vehicle's damage from different angles and distances. Make a couple of prints and make sure you save the digital images somewhere if you're using a digital camera. You want to make sure you take pictures of the scene, tire marks, damaged bumpers, damaged fences, anything like that. Collect names of witnesses and anyone who might even be a potential witness. You're going to want to do that now and not try to find those people later after they've disappeared or 2 or 3 months from now. Ask the police for a copy of a police report once they're done with it. Also ask them if they took photos, and if they did, ask them if you can get a copy. You might have to pay for it, but it's worth getting. If you're trying to collect money for the damage to your car, make sure you get an independent estimate from an auto body shop. That way you can compare that with what the insurance company says the damage is. And then of course you can use online resources like NADA Blue Book or Kelly to get an idea at least on what your car might be worth. So if you're having difficulty with this process and you're dealing with the insurance company yourself and you don't have a lawyer, then you can always contact the New Hampshire Department of Insurance with problems, and you can ask them if they've had trouble with this insurance company before. You don't necessarily have to file a complaint, but you can. It sort of depends on the case. Usually you can, but it's just a resource for you to use. If you're still having some trouble with the insurance company, you can continue to negotiate with them. You could go talk with a lawyer. Some of the things that you want to do is continue to collect receipts, pictures of damages to your personal property, whether it's to a camera, a computer, a car seat, all of those things. If they were damaged in the accident, you can make a claim for because it's part of what happened. Your own insurance company is only going to pay for property damage, which is covered under your own policy, and you have to check what your own policy says. So it's not going to cover everything, but that's why it's a good idea to read through it. The other driver's insurance company will not pay for property damage if they don't think they're at fault. If they think you caused the accident, then the other driver's insurance company is not going to write you a check or anything like that. This is an important point. Before you talk to the other person's insurance company, you really should talk with an attorney. Even if you don't end up hiring that attorney, you should talk to that person, because that attorney can give you an idea on whether you have a case that's worth involving an attorney, and if not, they may even be able to give you some idea on how to go about protecting yourself or making a claim, at least for the property damage. This has been one of several videos we have on auto accidents. It's brought to you by Burke and Eisner. You can reach us at 1-800-838-0800 or find us on the web at www.burke-eisner.com.